Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to subscribe to NordVPN. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Alright, again, maybe you've missed it. You can go ahead and click on the link in the description or pinned comments. Just click on one and you'll be landed to the same exact page. Now, what you'll do in here is basically click on compare plans if you want to check it out, right? But if you want to choose this plan, go ahead and do so. You'll just be charged $349 a month. And this discount right here will be for 2 years. Now, if you want a discounted NordVPN plan, make sure that you click on, again, the link in the description or pinned comments. Now you can go ahead and click on compare plans right here. And as you can see, we have basic, complete, and max. Now, if you want it all or all features, well, go ahead and get complete or max. The only thing that you don't get if you want to use complete is the dedicated IP. But for $2 more, you'll have your own dedicated IP. All right. So for example, you just wanted to subscribe for basic. And as you can see here, you get extra 3 months. Okay. 2 years plus 3 months. And that would be 27 months. All right. So when you go ahead and click on get basic, and by the way, you can change the year right here, for example, 2 years, 1 year, or just 1 month. But if you choose 1 month, you won't save anything. It is already discounted by using the link. But if you want to try it, you'll get money back guarantee right here. If you want to cancel it, you get your money back. So let's go ahead and try get basic. And then all you got to do is just to fill in the necessary details right here. For example, your email address, which you're going to use to log in when you already have the app. I'll scroll down. You can add dedicated IP right here or incognito. Scroll down and choose a payment method. You can use card, PayPal, Cash App, Google Pay, or cryptocurrency. And depending on your region, you'll have a ton of options right here. Enter your card details, verify that you're a human, complete the purchase, and once that's done, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to subscribe to NordVPN. If this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.